Oh, what's that? Oh, wake up. Phone's ringing. Could be a customer. Hello? Yeah, we got a place right here. We'll bring it over. Okay. We got a customer. Oh, where is he?
Oh, wait,
Out
there
of
he
my
is.
way. Here he comes. Look out.
Oh, that's
Speedster.
cool.
Oh, look at this. We can do some stuff to this.
Yeah, I got some
Get in
great
there.
ideas. I'll get the door.
Hey, buddy.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, this is her. I need a brake job, oil job, make her kind of look spiffy.
Oh, yeah.
You can do it.
No sweat. Wait. Okay,
Oh,
sorry.
geez. All right, got a deal?
Got a deal.
All
Okay,
right.
pull her in.
Oh, all right, man.
All right.
See you soon.
Come on. He's going to pull it in. Oh, we can shine it right up.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Back her in.
Back her in, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, lady.
One more. Straighten her out. There you
Looking good. All right. All right, where is he?
go. He's coming.
Hey.
All right, guys.
Okay.
My wife's going to stay with the car. All right, see you
All
soon.
right. Come back as a limit day. Oh, all right.
I got it.
Let's get to work. Going pretty good.
Hey, you guys. Where's my car? Where's my wife? Hey, she's had this car for 2 freaking years. Hey, where are you? Oh, man, these guys.
who is it?
Yeah, where's my car?
Oh, it's you. Hey, we got
gee.
two
Two
more
years.
minutes. Oh, yeah. Well, we're doing a lot of work. It looks great.
Better hurry up.
Oh, we gotta hurry up now, huh? Okay.
Man, these guys.
Only had it 2
2
years.
I haven't seen my wife.
Oh, we don't need that.
It's
Get
crazy.
rid. Get rid.
Oh, man. Oh, this is ridiculous. I'm
We
never
don't
coming
need
back
that.
here
Let's wrap
again.
it up.
Guys, come on now.
All
You
right.
ready?
Wait.
Oh, come
Okay.
on. Oh,
We should be
God.
just about ready.
Hurry up. He's having a fit.
Man. Come on. Come on. Jeez. All right.
Okay, we're ready.
Finally.
Here we go.
Okay. All right.
Hey, look
The
out.
big reveal.
Here I come. Yeah, I love it.
Come on, bring it on out.
What
It's nice and slow. Yeah, she's a beaut. Oh, yeah.
Here we are.
What is that?
Look at this, buddy.
What the heck did you do to my car? My wife! Oh my God!
What do you think?
Oh my God! Did you see?
thought it
What
looked
did you
great.
do? Oh,
What?
what did
Oh,
my
gee.
wife?
Well, look at it. We did a lot of work on it, man. It
dead.
looks nice.
Wait, we
Get
should
out of
tell
here.
him about... Oh,
I don't know what to tell you,
You
buddy.
guys are
You
terrible.
can't get work like this
I'm sick
anywhere
of
else.
it. This is ridiculous.
jeez.
Oh, I just don't know. I'm so angry.
Ungrateful is what you are. Gee,
I'm never coming back
work
here
hard
again.
on this.
Oh, you guys.
I don't know what
Guys
to
are
do.
terrible. I'm not paying
I told you, man.
Get
Wait,
out of
wait.
here.
Yeah, get out of here and don't come back.
There you mean old bastard. I tell you, man,
What?
you
I don't know.
should have changed the light bulbs. Yeah.
Maybe you're right.